AC circuit containing pure resistor. So AC circuit containing pure resistor means we are considering an AC circuit with pure resistance. Only one resistance is connected along an alternating voltage source. So this is given in the circuit diagram. So this is the voltage source, this is the resistance. Okay. Now, the instantaneous value of the alternating voltage is given by, we have given the alternating voltage, that is V is equal to Vm sine omega t. Vm is the peak value of the alternating voltage. Now, when the alternating current is flowing in the circuit due to this voltage, it develops a potential difference across the resistance R. According to which law? Ohm's law. So, the potential developed across the resistance is given as VR. VR is equal to I into R. Okay. VR is equal to what? I into R. According to Kirchhoff's rule, there is a loop rule. The algebraic sum of potential difference in a closed circuit is 0. So what is the algebraic sum of the potential difference in this circuit? There are two potential differences. One is the potential due to the alternating voltage. Another one is the potential difference due to the resistor. So V minus VR is equal to what? 0. This can be written as V is equal to VR. Okay. Now we know V is equal to Vm sin omega t. VR is equal to IR. Now we are going to substitute in this given equation V is equal to VR. So equating both, we are writing it as what? V sin omega t is equal to IR. Rearranging the equation. I is equal to Vm by R into sin omega t. Now I'm going to take Vm by R as Im. Vm by R is what? Im. So the equation can be written as I is equal to Im sin omega t. Now we have got the instantaneous value of current. Small I represents the instantaneous value of current, where Im is the peak value of the alternating current in the circuit. So we get the alternating voltage and we got the equation for what? Alternating current. Now, from the equations of alternating voltage and alternating current, so V is equal to Vm sin omega t and I is equal to Im sin omega t. Now you can see the phase angle. Here also omega t is the phase angle. Here also omega t is the phase angle. So there is no change in the phase angle. So what we can say, the phase relationship. That is, the applied voltage and the current are in phase with each other. An AC circuit containing pure resistor has what? The applied current voltage and the current are in phase with each other. That is, what is the meaning of that is, the maximum and the minimum will occur what? Simultaneously. That is, the peak values of maximum and minimum will occur simultaneously. So this is indicated by the phasor diagram. So what is the phasor diagram and the wave diagram? So here we can see the phasor diagram and wave diagram. This is a wave diagram and this is a phasor diagram. Now in the wave diagram, we can see both the alternating current and the voltage are having the same wave pattern. They are traveling in phase. That is, their peak values are occurring at the same time. But you can see the voltage is having a highest peak than that of the current. Why the voltage is having the highest peak than that of the current? Because the peak value of current Im is Vm by R. So the peak value of current is less than that of the peak value of what? Voltage. Im is equal to Vm by R. So only we are drawing the peak value of current as what? Lesser value than that of the voltage. Okay. Now in the phasor diagram, here we are taking In y-axis, the instantaneous value of current and voltage. And we are drawing the phasor diagram. So here OA is representing the peak value of the alternating voltage. So the length of OA is greater. OB is representing the peak value of the alternating current. The length of OB is lesser than that of OA because the peak value of the alternating voltage is greater than that of the peak value of the alternating current. We are drawing in the same line because they are in phase with each other. So both the diagrams have to be drawn together. So this gives you the phase relationship between what the alternating current and the alternating voltage. An AC circuit with pure resistor is having both current and voltage are in phase with each other.